Zinc, a vital trace mineral, is essential for numerous bodily functions. It fortifies the immune system, promoting the effective development of immune cells and aiding in wound healing. This mineral is crucial for DNA synthesis and cell growth, impacting rapid growth stages. Rich sources include red meat, seafood, beans, and nuts. Adequate zinc levels are vital for overall health and well-being, showcasing its multifaceted benefits. Zinc is a very important trace mineral, meaning that while your body only needs small amounts, it's absolutely essential for many functions. Here's a rundown of its key roles. Key functions: immune system support. Zinc is crucial for the development and function of immune cells. A deficiency can weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Wound healing. It plays a vital role in tissue repair and wound healing. DNA synthesis. Zinc is involved in the creation of DNA and cell growth and division. It's essential for cell growth and division, making it particularly important during periods of rapid growth, such as childhood, adolescence, and pregnancy. Taste and smell. Zinc is necessary for maintaining your senses of taste and smell. Enzyme function. It's a cofactor for numerous enzymes involved in various biochemical reactions. Sources of zinc: animal products, red meat, poultry, and seafood, especially oysters. Plant-based foods: beans, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Important considerations: zinc deficiency. Symptoms can include impaired immune function, delayed wound healing, loss of taste and smell, and growth retardation. Zinc toxicity. Excessive zinc intake can cause nausea, vomiting, and other digestive issues. It can also interfere with the absorption of other minerals, like copper. Supplementation. It's generally best to get zinc from food sources. If you're considering taking zinc supplements, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. In essence, zinc is a multifaceted mineral that supports a wide range of bodily functions. Maintaining adequate zinc levels is crucial for overall health and well-being.